Hey guys, I'm John Hybrid. Today, we're going to show you how not to slice the ball. If you're a crappy golfer like myself, you probably slice the ball to the right or to the left. For me, it's to the right. If you don't have a perfect golf swing, doesn't mean you can't hit the ball straight and have a good game of golf. You'll see, I don't have a perfect golf swing by any means, but we're going to show you a couple tricks on how not to slice the ball. There's a couple key components we're going to look at today. First one, I want to focus on the left leg. If you're a right-handed guy, you're going to be on the left leg. If you're left-handed, vice versa. Let's go ahead and take some time to think about what we're going to do before the shot. For me, and a lot of you who are slicing it, your problem is that there's too much weight back here causing you to hit the ball at an angle. Let's go ahead and dive into it. First, I want to show you what most guys are doing when they're swinging. A couple things wrong with that swing there. On the follow through, hands curled up. You want to get them out. Key to golf, keep your arms straight the whole time. Let's look at another hit. Couple key things. Make sure you turn your hips when you're coming around. Way to combat that, put more weight on your left foot. Should help you turn. I'll show you here. Before you get up the shot, go ahead and get squared up and take time to put more weight on your left foot. From there, I want you to reach to the ball. You don't want it right here, you don't want it out here. You wanted a pretty good reach. Take time to put weight on that left foot. Can't emphasize that enough. It's going to help you on your rotation. You know, don't even think about killing the ball. Slow swing. We're going to get to follow through here in a minute. Slice and a half. It's going down. You know, if you get off balance, it's not a good sign. That means you're not in control, and that's just what happened to me. I hope that encourages you out there to know that you don't have to have a great swing. You can still hit the ball straight. I still slice the ball all the time. But if you know how to hit the ball, get the club face there, you can get it straight. Doesn't matter if it goes 100 yards or 300 yards. At the end of the day, when you're playing golf, you want a straight ball. Just to review, I want to harp on a couple things. I want you to think about getting your arms straight back and bringing those hips like that. And try to stay balanced, unlike me. Another thing I want to talk about, and I don't think it gets talked enough about during golf, that's a black glove energy kind of motto that we like to live by. For years I played with a white glove. I enjoyed it. And then recently I switched over to wearing a black glove, and it seemed like my game tremendously changed. Precision, gripping, it's a new wave, and all of our guys are on it for sure. So if you have a white glove, there's nothing against white gloves. I like them, but black gloves are something that I really encourage everyone to check out. And with that, thanks for tuning in to Cmoto channel. Have a great day.